What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Christian, back at it again with another DIY video. I am super stoked to even get this started, man. I'm installing some sick 3D wall panels right here. The only thing that sucks for me is that I have to deal with like these angled walls. So I know it's gonna be tough, but I made sure to buy the proper tools for that. And honestly, when I say sick, dude, it's sick. I've been inspired by a few people that have already installed this. I can't recall their names, but honestly, I'll make sure to like shout them out at the end of this video somehow in some way, because it's something that I really do appreciate. But overall, I just want to get you guys involved in this. This is my first time installing this, and if you're watching this and this is your first time as well, hopefully this actually helps you out. But yeah, let's get started. Enough of me talking.
So here's a quick look of all the tools that I use to complete this 3D wall installation. Now the first thing on the list is the liquid nails. I made sure to buy several of these. They're only $2. I bought 5 of these just to make sure I had enough. Now to complement that is your caulking gun. As you know, it's only $4, very cheap as well. And the next product is the jigsaw. Reason why I went with the jigsaw is because I'm very familiar with this tool and it has several different types of blades. I made sure to get this thin teeth one because you are cutting through PVC and you don't want to damage your wall panel. And then of course, my beam level. I went with this is because you can actually adjust the very end of the level and find the angle of the wall. Alright, enough of the foolishness, let's get to work. So as you can tell, I'm applying this liquid nails on the edges of my panel. I continue to do that throughout all 4 corners, and then once I'm done with that, I then start applying more adhesive in the center of the panel. The reason why I do that is so that the panel sits nice and firm on the wall and it doesn't bulge out at all. Now once you finish applying all the adhesive, now you're ready to place it on the wall. Now keep in mind, make sure you keep that tension on there and put a lot of pressure on the panel so it sits nice and snug. And then prepare yourself to have a nice wet rag and clean up all that extra adhesive. I highly recommend having several wet rags because it can get really messy and very time consuming cleaning up one rag.
I gotta say, this shit ain't easy. Hopefully it turns out good. As of right now, things do seem okay. I'm kind of iffy on that side over there. I'm kind of iffy with the whole angle of the wall. Just scared. Hopefully this all comes out great, because obviously I don't want this to be a failed project. So positives, it's just positive vibes over here. That's it.
I want to give you guys a huge tip here. So from actually doing the work and doing the research and watching people's videos of their installations, if you actually follow the instructions of going from the center mark, you actually might end up with more cuts, especially if your walls don't line up. So that might mean you might have to do all the angles, where I started from left to right and I actually had less cuts. And like I said, it's so hard to see the imperfection just because there's so much imperfection on these panels. And then the douchebag that points it out, just punch him in the face, dude. Like, hit him with that uppercut, bro. They will never see that.
Right uppercut to the body by Tyson again.
So I'm at the point now where I'm wrapping everything up, installing my angled wall pieces. Unfortunately, I didn't have any footage of me doing this, but it took a lot of trial and error. But most people won't even have to deal with this. You guys might be fortunate enough to just have the easy work where you just take a measurement of 5 inches or 7 inches and simply go all the way along your wall, and it's just consistent cuts. But here's the final, most beautiful, most fulfilling part of the job.
That's a wrap, baby. We're done, man. Took me about 5 hours to finish this up. I think what took me the longest was this angled wall over here. But overall, the experience and how to just place everything was very easy to work with. I think it gets a little messy when you're using the caulking gun, but I mean, once you're going at it, you get used to the rhythm. It becomes very easy and simple. For those people that are out there, just commit, and it's all about precision and placing these blocks at a very precise way, and that's really it. And you'll get this beautiful, nice 3D wall panel. It's just amazing. I really don't even know how to explain it. It's so satisfying to look at. The aesthetics are amazing. You'll just be overwhelmed with joy with it. So just commit, okay? And I hope you guys learned a lot from the video, and hopefully it was very informative for you guys. And I'm trying my best to put everything that I use in the description down below, and then hopefully you guys can go from there. But thank you very much for watching my video, and there'll be more to come. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, bro. Alright? Deuces, by the way. Deuces. On to the next, baby. Shit's getting weird now. I don't even know what to do. How do you end the video, bro? I don't know. Life is weird. We're all weird. Peace.